I was walking right about here. I wasn't paying attention, had flip-flops on. There was a 6-foot rattlesnake right there on the ground.
Oh my.
And I didn't see him until he started rattling. Of course, I jumped back and he just slithered sideways right over and underneath the ice maker.
Hi folks, Strange RV Tours. This is Janet. We're here at Desert Trails RV Park, right in Tucson. Technically Tucson, we're on the outskirts. And this has been a great stay. So I wanted to give you a review. The people are great, the facilities, you know, it's older but well maintained, and it's been great. So kind of out of the way place, and let you know there's other places besides the big resorts. So here we go. Okay, we're coming into the office. There's quite a few full-timers here that do their mail service here, and okay folks, this is a nice little pool. We had come out here at least 2 or 3 times a day, and pretty much on our own. Of course, it is summertime. Now during the winter, this place supposedly is jam-packed, you know, with RVs. Not that they'd be swimming. It is a heated pool, but we had a good time here. This is known to be the best bargain in the Tucson area, and I agree. I mean, Passport America, we only paid $15 a night, and there's so much, you know, different facilities here.
That was with full hookups.
Yeah, full hookups. Let me show you the library, a few of the things on this side. You know, the movie exchange thing. Magazines and movies, you know, trade out. Lots of books. Lots and lots of books through here. All kinds of books. See? There we go. There we go. And they have an ice maker here, which is nice, especially during the summer. We used to have a water park up here, apparently, years and years ago, and now it's just a site. You can go up at the top and look around. And Greg, you want to tell them about what happened last night?
I was leaving the swimming pool where we just came from. Went to the library where we just were. Walking out of the library, it was just starting to get dark enough to where you needed a flashlight. And I was walking right about here. I wasn't paying attention, had flip-flops on. There was a 6-foot rattlesnake right there on the ground.
Oh my.
And I didn't see him until he started rattling. Of course, I jumped back and he just slithered sideways right over and underneath the ice maker. And of course I went back to the RV to let Janet know and to change my shorts.
No.
And yeah, it was a pretty nerve-wracking evening.
Yeah. Look, wildlife everywhere. We see lots of bunnies, lots of lizards, and this crafts and sewing. Right here is the little dog park. Max really likes this one. There's for the little dogs. That's for the big dogs. And this is a sewing and craft room. Nice restrooms back here. Here we go. There you go. But all the restrooms are really nice. They're all been done with tile, clean. Now the restrooms have all been kept nice. I like this floor here too. And they have arts and crafts supplies in the back. Little kitchen area in the back. I'm sure during the winter this place is just booming with people. Yeah, and there is a dog wash, which Greg actually gave Max a bath last night. Well, needed bath. And then there's a hilltop view. See, there goes a dove. But you can see it used to be some little water park years ago, apparently. And they've torn some of it out. There you go. There's trails out here. There you go. See? See, you see all around the valley. And I didn't realize how big this park was, really. You look at this. Man. You can recycle all that. Huh. It goes way back. Yeah. Yeah, this walkway. See how this old all these designs. And there's a stage, and I saw some platforms. Apparently they do have a stage they assemble here so that people can perform. It's pretty cool, this stuff, just to look at it, you know. Here. That's pretty neat stuff. Yeah, little picnic area, bocce ball. They have 4 courts here. And on the other side they have some horseshoes where the trails start. And then over here we have gallery and aerobics. Here we go. See? I'll turn on the lights. And there's some mats and weights and artwork. Yeah. Pretty cool. And more bathrooms, which these are just regular bathrooms, but they have that nice tile. There's our rig again. And right close to us is the laundry, pool room. Oh, the door's open. Guess somebody must be in there. Yeah. We had a fun time the other night. It's well kept. You know, they have a ping pong. They have a drawer full of paddles, balls. It's fun. Of course, he beat me every game. Yeah. See, they have a couple marked trails. Hiking trails. And here's horseshoes. And there's another marked trail over here. Like 2 more back here. So. Okay. Yeah, just 25 cents for gallons of water. Soda machine. Newspaper if you want them. And the bathrooms. Oh, really nice. Nice showers. I mean, everything's super clean. Well maintained. And that's the women's. Here's the men's. And here's another laundry. But here you go. It's all like new equipment. And the ironing board and the other one. And the card machine. If you like to use that. Slop machine. You know, slop sinks in each one of them. And you know, it's been a nice place. There's lots more. There's a TV lounge. There's a little gym that has some pretty nice equipment in it. So all spread out. Enough bathrooms and facilities to handle the crowd, I think. So that's important. I'll tell you. All right, Strange RV Tours. Hope you like this review. And there'll be many more. Because we'll be heading out to Benson next and stay a couple weeks there. Thousand Trails, or Encore actually. And this was Passport America, and it is a great deal. It really is. Anyway, Strange RV Tours, subscribe, like, hit the little bell, get notifications. This is Janet signing off. Yeah, folks.